Hold on. Last year, what did you give me? Nothing. Han, what is it, Han? Just got home, now leaving. It's snowing already.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Because you think they don't have feelings, if feelings get hurt, they don't have fear, they're afraid that...
Good morning. Ito pa rin yung suot ko. Yung 7:53 na ng umaga. Nagising ako guys, sobrang sakit ng ko puson. As in, at saka wala pa naman akong Midol or alive dito. Wala, as in talaga wala. So, grabe yung sakit ng puson ko. Andun sa shower yung asawa ko kasi idadrop namin yung ina niya later. And honestly, I wanna go home because while I'm here editing the video, ang narinig ko kalog. Yung parang may gustong lumabas sa gate namin sa isang bahay at saka narinig ko talaga yung boses ni Habs. No joke. This is really what happened. I was over there in my cell phone and then I came over here to my laptop. And then, ang narinig ko, yung gate namin doon sa mga sa taas. Ganon, di ba? Yung ganon din ni Habs yun. Yun ang narinig ko, and then si Habs. Ang busis talaga ni Habs. Ang sa isip ko, wala ng mga pagkain yun, guys. As in, gutom na yun. Marami akong nilagay na pagkain doon before ako umalis. Pero, hindi natin alam kasi malakas kumain yung mga yun, yung mga pag-dry food na. Lakas kumain yun, guys. So, nag-alala ko. And, I'm going to tell Tommy after that. After, pagkatapos niya maligo. Mahirap matulog kapag may dalawang aso sa maliit na kama. Hindi naman malaki yung kama namin. Ay nako, ang hirap guys. Kasi sila dalawa talaga ang nag-occupy sa isang bed. Kami ni Tommy, yung mga paa namin nakatiurok sa baba. Sa kama, nakahulog. Yung ulo lang namin at saka dito ang nasa. And then I get up like 2 o'clock in the morning. I put their body, like I drag them in the middle. And then pagkatapos nun, gumaganon, pinupush nila kami. Friday na, December 15, malapit na guys. Malapit na tayong mag-Christmas. Nawala yung earrings ko guys. Yung isa, andun sa kama, hanapin ko. Punta lang kami sa dialysis. Ano lang namin yung biyanan ko. Nagka-crack ng lips ko. Kasi last night hindi ko nadala sa taas. So, hindi ko nilagyan ng lips. So, tignan nyo tong dalawa. Akala nila aalis na kami. Akala talaga nila aalis kami. Tignan nyo to. Si Misty. Hi, baby mates. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, Rox. What is the problem, Rox? Anong problema natin, Rox? Anong problema, Rox? I know we are going to see Dimples and Habs. I know. That means in the other house. Because you're gonna see Dimplers and Habtibag. Itong asawa ko, hindi ako hinintay. Why you don't wait for me? Well, you're so nice to me this morning.
My head's pounding on
Oh, God. It's freezing. Temperature today, ay hindi ko alam.
23 degrees.
Yeah, it's 23. Sobrang ginaw guys. Yung paa ko guys, sumasakit na.
It just means that you're there.
Sobrang sakit eh. Plus, hindi ako nagtitake ng Midol kasi wala kasi. And it says, guys, it's gonna be snowing later again. So, going to stay here and pick mom up and then I go later. I'm afraid. Will the snow? What time is the snow? No time?
It's in rush hour.
Yeah, that means that's my
Like
driving.
5, 6.
Yeah, and plus the cat also, guys. But I told you. Huh?
The cat's not slow.
Well, I'm the one who's driving, Han. If it's snowing and it's slushy and it's cold, that means...
Don't race to get there, so it takes you 2 hours instead of an hour and a half. Big deal.
And I have problem. Every time I turn the heater in the car, And then because I open the window, because your kids is very picky, because they can, I can hear if there's no window open. So I window open, so the heater is on. So it's like the mix of the heat and the cold. So plus my foot is freezing, ice is stuck. Because the heat is here, but my foot, why is it? It's
Look
really my
at your
leg.
buttons on the car.
I've been looking while I'm driving, and I can't.
One button says, it shows you a picture of like here, up here. One shows you an arrow here and an arrow there. It means it's going to your feet and here. One just shows you your feet, so it's just going to your feet. One shows you the window, so only going to the window. Press it to where you want the heat to go.
Okay. Oh
and
my
then,
God.
And then you see a picture of a car with an arrow that goes like this in half of a circle.
Yeah, I know that
You
part.
gotta press that one on, because if you don't press that on, what you're doing is you're taking the air from outside and heating it. It never gets hot. This takes the air from inside, so
So
the
I have to
air gets hotter,
shut the
it gets
light
hotter.
up of that one.
No, you want that light on. That's a recirculation light. You want that one on.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I don't do it, hon.
Well, then the air will never, the heat will never blow hot.
It's hot.
It can't get too hot. If
So every time I do the heater, that need to be light off. That thing like that on. That means on. If there is light, that means it's on.
Right. You want the light on.
When you turn the heater.
Right.
Okay.
That means it's taking air from inside the car and reheating it. So it takes the air and makes it warmer. Instead of taking the cold air outside and trying to heat that up,
Yeah.
it takes the air from inside, which is already
So
warmer
it's
than
just
outside,
like
and makes it hotter.
So make everything rotate.
Right. It circulates the air inside the car.
So I can turn that on, and plus the facing lights and the foot one.
Right.
Because my foot, honey, it's hard. Like I have to do like this all the time when I'm driving, because oh my God, it's freezing.
Press the right buttons.
No, and then it's the dog's butt, so it's gonna.
Don't put the heat in the back seats, please.
Where is Roxy? Your food. We're gonna leave later. I guess we're gonna pick up your grandma. And nagalitan ko si Roxy at Misty. And dun sa loob nagtatago. Sila na lang yung dalawang naghaharotan dun. Kasi pinagalitan ko, guys. Pinalabas kasi ni Tammy, so they end up going out, trying to go out again. And my baby's right there, guys. He's doing something. So, nagdesisyon akong hintayin ko na lang yung biyanan ko para kukunin ko. So, you cannot see my dogs right now because they're hiding. Right, Han?
Because they're being squishes.
They're just like hiding. They're not hiding. They just want to be separated from us. They don't want to be here.
Because we're not giving them what they want.
Yeah. Well, they got a good food, but they're picking. They want something different, like a special thing that's hand-picked, and then give it to them by your hand. Like, here's your food, here's your food. They like that. That's what they want. My vlogmas, guys, is walang kaano-ano. Usually, some people, you know, like, yung mga vlogmas nila, nagbumibili sila ng mga gifts. You know, Tammy and I decided no gifts, nothing. Even my sister-in-law says something, no gifts. We always don't give for like few years already, no gifts.
Who didn't give no gifts for a few years?
No, we don't do gifts.
Yeah.
What did I get? We don't do gifts, sis. Han, I don't give nothing to you. We stopped doing it, Han. Hold on. Last year, what did you give me? Nothing. Han, what is it, Han? Did you remember?
I don't remember. I know there's another thing. I know you said, well, you're not supposed to. You told me you don't. No, I don't have nothing. Well, you told me no gifts.
I know you always does that. Oh, the ring. Do you remember the ring? The ring that you bought me, and then you said it's a big one, Han. And then you buy a one that to put something in the back. Remember that? Wow. That purple ring stone. Purple stone.
I don't remember you asking me.
You buy something in Amazon again because it won't fit on me, to buy mom and I a ring fitter. Like a ring to put under it. Everybody's losing memory, guys. At least I remember that. I think that's the Christmas or my birthday. I'm not sure. Oh, no. Ah, the birthday that you gave me and our anniversary is this phone. The ring is December. Whatever. So I guess that ring is just imaginary ring. It's my imaginary ring. I cannot even wear that ring, guys, because it's too big. I don't know where I ordered that. Probably Amazon. I guess he forgot.
Probably did. It's funny because we stopped there on our way back and forth to work.
Amethyst. Look, you remember?
No, tell me it's purple too.
Listen, guys, I'll talk to Misty. Look who's making noises. Somebody, she's coming. She's coming to Dada. To Dada. She's looking for attention. To Dada. To Dada. Oh no, Google na. She's coming, guys. She's right here, guys.
What's your mama?
I love you na baby ni Mama. No. I love you na baby ni Mama. Hello, she make too much noise, guys. Honey, I see your face on you.
Oh. Ooh. Will you be in the yard? You stay in the yard? You behave?
I guess you are
Be good.
going. Be good, huh?
Bye, monkey girl. Oh, you roll over.
Roll.
MaryAnn. You just stretch your neck.
Oh my god, it's freezing cold, guys. It's like crazy cold. What is that car over there? Look, snowy. It's kind of icy though, no?
Yeah.
Is it icy? Okay, drive careful. I
Love you,
you.
Ann.
Love you too. Drive careful,
Your
hon.
driveway is going to be covered with icy snow. Keep that in mind.
Yeah. Drive careful.
Let's try it.
I'll talk to you later.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
I love you too. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye. What?
Let me know before you go. Oh,
What?
you want to give me a bag of cigarettes from the...
Bedroom?
No, from the dining room.
Dining room?
Bag
Okay.
of cigarettes.
Okay. Hi guys, naka-edit na ako ng isang video. So, nagutom ako. So, ito yung kinain ko. Lasagna at saka yung string beans na niluto ko last night. So, pinalabas ko lang yung dalawa, guys. Kasi, ay nako, guys. I-snow daw, guys. Magdadrive pa ako. Ay nako. Takot pa naman ako mag-drive yung snow na grabe. Sana okay yung pagdadrive ko later, guys. Sana. Kailangan siyang umihi muna bago ko siya i-travel. Oh, yan. Mag-ihi na yan. Yay. It's raining, guys. Oh, it's snowing. And hoping. I'm gonna call my husband now. Oy, Dada, oy. Let's go. Guys, it's snowing, guys. I'm so kind of... Hi, Han. Just got home, now leaving. It's snowing already.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
And your mother said, oh, you're leaving? Yeah.
Yeah, well, what you expect?
She said, no, I cannot stay here. I just stay here to pick you up. And the cat over there. I said,
It's fine.
huh?
You can figure it out. That's fine. So you driving already?
Just now, just left the house now.
Okay.
And
Drive careful.
I will. I'm snowing, and kind of nervous because it's a crazy snow, and later on when I hit there up there, so.
Well, just drive fast, slow. Don't worry about trying to get there in a rush. What's the difference? Alright, man, drive careful. I'll talk to you later.
I love you.
Love you too. Bye, Nan.
Bye bye. Love you. Bye bye.
Bye, love you too.
Si Roxy, guys, palagi na lang tumitingin, guys. Lie down, nakahiga, nakatingin sa palibot, sa paligid, at saka natitingin din sa akin. And no, na ano siya, nakatingin na lang sa window. We're home, guys. Pero I'm not gonna back up. You know, hindi ako magbaback up, guys. I won't back up to the driveway because if I back up, baka maano ako ba, baka ma-slide ako sa ano. So I have to slowly go forward. Okay, forward. Low. Forward. Yes. Pa-forward ako ngayon, guys. Hi guys, we are in the house. Pasensya na, guys. Dili nga, I gave them turkey. Oh my God, Habs was so happy. Luckily, yung drive namin papunta dito, okay. Okay, nag-snow siya start pero nawala din. Which is really good. Pero yung driveway namin guys, it was thick like this. At least it's not ice. Patungo na siyang mag-ice. You know, hindi talaga siya yung grabe ka, ano ba. Ay nako, nag-snow. Yung snow kahapon, dumadami. Parang marami yung snow ata dito kahapon. Iinom ako ng Advil. Oh my God, kailangan ko na talaga. Ano ito, Aleve. Pangpawala sakit ng ano guys, yung puson ko. Sumakit na naman siya guys. Hello. Hi my love.
How was your drive?
The drive is fine.
Hun, you don't understand. Huh? Alright, you think because they're animals, that they're just animals. I never treat animals just like animals. I treat them like a person. Because you think they don't have feelings, their feelings are going to hurt, they don't have fear, they're afraid that, hey, what if she doesn't come back? What if nobody comes and feeds us ever again? Huh? They have fear. They become afraid. Look, nobody put fresh food down today. What happens if nobody ever comes back and gives us food? What happens when we run out? What happens when we eat it all? What? We're going to starve to death, huh? They have fears.
I know, hon. You know.
Well, it makes them stressed out. And when they get stressed out, then screwy things happen. And it makes them a little wonky. Yeah, well, when animals are stressed out, it's not good. Their personalities change, and they're not, you know, they become a little crazy. Like, you know, once in a while, I say, all right, well, it's no big deal. They're okay for the day, but to leave them on a regular basis for 2 or 3 days, not really good. You know, yeah, the dog is obvious. Well, somebody has to let them out. They have to go out and pee, and they have to go out and poop. So the dog is really obvious. The cats, it's just as big a deal. Except you don't have the problem with the cleanup because they have a litter box.
Yeah. Pinutulan ko na naman itong ano guys kasi sobrang ano siya. Sobrang ano dito, ang tawag nito, sobrang malago talaga. So pinutulan ko siya. Asaan ba yun? May mga pangit na katulad nito. Kunin ko lang itong napatay na mga dahon kasi may mga dahon na namamatay. So, yung mga dahon na mamatay dito ko nilagay din sa ano, sa pot para dun na fertilize na din yan sa kanya. Tawagan ko muna yung biyanan ko. Hold on ha, tawagan ko, sabihin ko na andito na ako. Kasi sabi niya tawagan ko raw siya.
Hi.
Just, yeah, just letting you know that we're here.
Oh, good. No problem.
Yeah, did you call Andrea?
I called me
And?
and had also the friends that we had. And they want to bring me up.
Okay, I will talk to you later.
Oh my god, it's a giant golden wonder.
I'm having dinner. Nakakatawa guys kasi, hindi yung dinner ko no nakakatawa. Nakakatawa kasi dahil the two cats, si Habs at Dimples, nagwawala, hindi naman nagwawala, naglalaro ba? Chasing each other. At itong dalawa natatakot dahil grabe yung dalawa guys kapag maglalaro ng ganyan. Grabe talaga marinig. Dahil sa wood floor. At saka slide dito, slide doon. Tingnan mo itong dalawa. Takot. Si Misty at saka si Roxy kanina, doon sila nag-like peeking what's going on. And they're kinda hiding in here. Nag-ano pa rin. Inobserbahan pa rin niya. Kasi andun yung dalawa doon, no? Naglalaro dito, dagan doon, tumatakbo doon sa kwarto, takbo dito, takbo doon na kahit saan, guys. Meron akong leftover na, ito na lang na pork ribs. So, ito na lang kinakain ko. Sarap talaga kasi, grabe yung tiyan ko. Like, parang umiiyak yung tiyan ko, guys. Nag-growling, nag-growl talaga siya as in siya na, kasi parang pula yung mukha ko ngayon. So, okay, chin settings. Ganun pa rin, parang mapula-pula pa rin. Tulog na tulog. So, yan. Andito si Misty. And then sila. Itong Habsi bag ko, umiiyak. Andito sa taas. Tignan niyo. Hello, dog. Umiiyak, my little man. I love him so much. And this one too, right here. Roxy always like jealous ang baby girl ni mama na. These are my babies, 4 of them. But the clingy one is Hubs and Roxy. Well, Misty is very clingy in different way. Like, she won't stop until, you know, if you don't stop, she won't stop. Naghintay din ako ng tawag sa ng asawa ko, guys. Kasi ano na bang oras, guys? Malapit na mag-alas 8 pala, guys. Good night, guys. See you bukas, guys. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Salamat, guys, sa panunod, ha. Salamat sa time. Salamat sa pag-like. Salamat sa pag-comment. Bye, guys. Kita-kits bukas. Bye-bye.
Come down, we just look at her face, guys.
Yeah, right, hon. And then I cook instant food.
Instant food.